Hey guys, I'm Nick Harrison with Rocky River Woodworks, and I'm talking about the 7 ways to brand yourself as a woodworking business. So if you're just starting to buckle down on advertising, or you're established and you're just looking to grow and expand your woodworking business, there are multiple ways that you can advertise and market your business. Some branding methods are digital, while others include tangible pieces. So here are my top 7 ways to brand your woodworking business. Number 1 is business cards. Business cards are traditional and they can be seen as old school, yet are very practical to this day. Business cards do not get tossed in the trash as easily as you might think. Many times they get placed in inconspicuous areas and forgotten about. But when a customer needs something and they remember that they have a card for someone that can help, they will dig for that card. A good business card should have your contact information on it. The whole purpose of your business card is to quickly and clearly give customers a means of contacting you. Having a unique and catchy logo is also a great way to stick in someone's head when they see you. Make your logo the centerpiece of your business card if it makes sense with your card's design. Keep some cards on you everywhere, in the car, at work, at home, in your shop, etc. Hand your cards out to as many people as possible. This will allow you to get in front of as much of the audience that you want as possible. This goes for your clients as well. When you finish a project and deliver it to the client or ship it to them, be sure to include a business card or two. They may want to reach out to you in the future to do more business with you, or they might have a friend that's needing work done and they can pass your business card on to them. Number 2, add-ons. Now, when I reference add-ons, I'm not necessarily talking about an upsell. Don't oversell yourself or your projects or your products to a customer in a pushy way. While this used to be a good sales tactic, people don't like feeling pushed into purchases. What I do recommend, however, is small good add-ons that can help you promote your brand. For example, a set of wooden coasters or a wooden drink koozie or a keychain, a wood cutting board that has your logo engraved on it. Something that is a nice gesture that you can gift to your client for free when they purchase a large project from you. Maybe you make a client a $1,500 kitchen table made of walnut and decide to use the same scrap pieces of that walnut to make them a set of drink coasters that have your logo engraved onto the face of the coasters. This is not something that you're selling to the client, but rather a nice gift and show of appreciation for the business that they did with you. The next time they set their drink down on one of your wooden coasters, they will see your logo on it and may be tempted to give you a call for more business or simply spread your brand to their friends and family. Number 3, social media. In our technology advanced world, this may be one of the most obvious answers. Social media is one of the best ways to market your business and begin to get eyes on your products and services. Pictures are key, and not just on Instagram. Posting pictures of your work can help advertise your business almost automatically. A picture really is worth 1,000 words on social media. You can always boast your brand by talking to someone, but when they see for themselves that you're able to perform high quality work, they're more likely to be ready to purchase. Social media is great for woodworkers in that you're able to post finished shots or beauty shots, as well as behind the scene pictures or progress pictures. Tell a story through photos by showcasing the process of how you built something with multiple angles, lighting, and environments of the finished product. You may even decide to post short videos of your building process or reuse old projects as current pictures to publish on social media. Stay engaged with your audience while finding a good blend of brand promotion. Website. I don't do a deep dive into the woodworking websites here, but overall, a good website is a great way of not only showcasing your work, but also allowing that showcase to advertise for you. Having a website is a good way to generate leads and can be searchable online. Being searchable online is, in part, advertisement for your brand. It can also act as your sales funnel and turn your target audience into paying customers. Be sure to include an About Us page for your website so that customers can virtually get to know you. If customers can get to know the person that they're doing business with, they will feel a sense of personality and relationship and will be more inclined to buy from you. Next is a hot brand or laser engraving. When clients pay a large amount of money for a custom project, the last thing that they want to see on their project is your logo. However, if there's an inconspicuous location on the project that makes sense, why not brand your logo? Don't ruin a custom project by laser engraving or branding your logo, but if it is, for example, on the bottom of a project, a brand could make sense. Your laser engraved logo or hot brand stamp may not be seen for a long time if it's on the bottom of that dresser, or even ever. but it can be useful. If and or when your logo is ever seen, it may refresh the customer's memory of a great experience that they had with working with you and may push them to come back to do more business. Packaging. Packaging can be a unique way of marketing your woodworking brand. This is especially helpful if you're in the market of selling small goods. When you pack up an item to ship to your customer, consider packing the item in a unique or customized box that includes your logo and or your contact information. You can include a custom designed box for the entire item to be shipped in, or a box that includes components needed for your item. For example, you may ship a bookcase to a client that includes some screws or feet or hardware. Maybe you decide to include the hardware components in a smaller box that features your brand on it. If you sell large products that cannot be shipped, consider including a thank you tag on the product that features your brand. Again, the key to marketing your brand is getting your logo and company name in front of as many eyes as possible. Merchandise. Merchandise is another way to advertise your woodworking business through visual methods. Shirts, hats, and stickers are the top 3 of my recommendations. These products can be given to your friends and family to wear proudly in front of others. There are also items that you can wear when you're in public, at trade shows, conferences, and more. If you do video marketing or photography, consider including your apparel in the video or photo to be able to get your brand in front of your audience's mind. While I don't claim to be a marketing expert, those are just a few ways that I have found to assist in marketing your woodworking company. If you have any other suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below or contact me. Take care.